This is the Obage X12 Hi-Fi 2.1 channel multimedia system. Out of the all Obage systems I have tried till now, this one feels the best, but it has also some drawbacks, especially when we compare it with soundbars that come in the same price range. For example, this system does not support any surround sound format like Dolby Audio, Dolby Atmos or DTS-X surround sound. It has all the connectivity options, but it has no HDMI ARC port, but it has of course Bluetooth and optical port and AUX port also. But wait, if you are thinking of rejecting this system just because of these drawbacks, then you might be making a big mistake, because this system has many things that soundbars in this price range don't have. Before I explain all that, listen to this sound sample very carefully.
Empty hearts and neon lights. They're playing with my mind. Gotta get out of here tonight. Oh, I wanna run off and fly. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone. Just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking. Oh, 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 oh. The more I swim, the more I'm sinking. Take me to a world of silver. No more heartbreaks, tears, painkillers. Take me somewhere unfamiliar. Bring me back to where we started. Get me out of now. To where we started. Get me out of now.
Look, Obage has made this system to enjoy music at low to medium volume, and at these volume levels, its performance is really amazing. Along with the top highlights of this system, let me tell you how amazing performance it gives. First highlight, guys, support of aptX HD Bluetooth codec. This is the first big highlight. In this price range, most systems only support basic SBC codec. So if you use Spotify Premium, you don't need to worry about losing audio quality while playing music through Bluetooth. Guys, aptX HD maintains high audio quality even in wireless transmission. That's why it is also called an audiophile level Bluetooth codec. Second big highlight, guys, Silk Dome tweeters. The second highlight is its Silk Dome tweeter. Very few soundbars in this price range offer Silk Dome tweeters, and it is not just good on paper. In real usage, these tweeters add excellent detailing and brightness to the sound without making it harsh or sharp. Honestly speaking, guys, these tweeters are the biggest reason behind this system's great sound performance. You can clearly hear even the smallest detail in the vocals and instruments. Talking about the vocals sound very clean and soothing. There is no muddiness, no boominess, and they don't sound thin either. I really enjoyed listening to the 90s Bollywood songs on this system. So if you like old songs, you will love this system. Even in movies, you can hear tinny whisper sounds very clearly. Overall, vocals feel very open and rich. Another thing you will not find in budget soundbar is a good stereo separation. Here you get a clear left and right channel effect in music and movies. Also, you can adjust the distance between left and right speakers based on where you sit. You can get this type of flexibility only in multimedia speaker systems, not in soundbars. Let's talk about the bass performance, guys. The bass is produced by dual 6.5 inches subwoofer placed inside the single tower-like cabinet. You can experience deep bass down up to 50 Hz. One more thing to know. The bass and treble are slightly boosted compared to vocals. In simple words, we can say that this system has a V-shaped sound signature. You will not get here very powerful ripples and vibrations, but the beats sound thick and the subwoofer handle low frequency notes of instruments quite well. Overall, this system has a detailed and bright sound. So if you used to play or enjoy music at low to medium volume, or your budget is under 15,000, then you should definitely consider this system. If this video helped you out, please smash that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews and audio insights. And hit the notification bell so you don't miss any update or my next video. I will meet you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.